Today we will learn how to write small letters. Small a. Start from the middle and make a curve reaching the bottom. Next go to the middle again and draw a standing line downwards with a small curve at the bottom. Small a. Small b. Start from the top and draw a standing line downwards. Go to the center of the line and add a curve touching the bottom of the line. Small b. Small c. Start from the middle and draw a curve till the bottom. Small c. Small d. Start from the middle and draw a small c. Then go to the top and draw a standing line downwards with a small curve at the bottom. Small d. Small e. Start below the middle making a loop and continue to make a curve to reach the bottom. Small e. Small f. Start from the top making a curve and then continue to make straight line down. Next go to just below the top curve and draw a slipping line across. Small f. Small g. Start from the middle and make a small c. Then go to the middle again and draw a standing line going down below the bottom with a small backward curl. Small g. Small h. Start from the top and make a standing line to the bottom. Then go to the middle and make a curve reaching the bottom. Small h. Small I. Start from the middle to make a standing line. Add a small dot above the line. Small I. Small j. Draw a standing line from the middle going down below the bottom with a small backward curve. Add a small dot above the line. Small j. Small k. Start from the top and make a standing line to the bottom. Next from the middle make a downward slanting line to the left. Then make a downward slanting line to the right with a small curl at the bottom. small k, small l. Start from the top and make a standing line reaching the bottom with little curl at the bottom. Small l, small m. Start from the middle and make a standing line to the bottom. Go to the middle and make a curve reaching the bottom. Make one more curve in the same way. Small m, small n. Start from the middle to make a standing line to the bottom. Go to the middle and make a curve reaching the bottom. Small n, small o. Start from the middle and make a small circle to the left. Small o, small p. Start from the middle and move down below the down. Then go to the middle and make a half circle to meet the line at the bottom. Small p, small q. Start from the middle and make a small c. Next, go to the middle again and make a standing line to reach below the bottom and make a hook T. Small q, small r. Start from the middle and draw a standing line below the bottom. Again, go to the middle and draw a small curl towards the right. Small r, small s. Start from the middle and swing to the left and create a curve now. Swing to the right and create another backward swirl at the bottom. Small s, small t. Start above the middle and draw a standing line with a small curl at the bottom. Then go to the middle and add a slipping line across. Small t, small u. Start from the middle and draw a standing line till the bottom and then slightly curve upwards. Again, go to the middle and draw another straight line downwards with a small curve at the bottom. Small u, small v. Start from the middle and make a slanting line down to the right. And then make a slanting line up to the right. Small v, small w. Start from the middle and make a slanting line down to the right and then make a slanting line up to the right. Now make another slanting line down to the right and lastly make one more slanting line up to the right. Small w, small x. Starting from the middle, draw a slanting line towards the right. Then go to the middle and draw a slanting line towards the left, cutting the first line in the center. Small x, small y. Start from the middle and draw a standing line till the bottom. Again go to the middle and make a standing line down below the bottom. Small y, small z. Start from the middle and draw a slipping line towards the right and then make a slanting line down towards the left, reaching the bottom. Now again draw a slipping line from the bottom towards the right. Small z.